Hi everyone, Meets the Money Honey here. It is Tuesday, February 4th, 2025, and we are looking at the Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame. We're down roughly 2,000. We had a bounce yesterday off of the previous sell-off. So that's good. We've recovered some. I believe we got down to as low as 95,000 or so on Bitcoin. I believe there's still some uncertainty in the market just from what I'm looking at. Crypto mostly down. If we take a look at the futures market, we've got the Dow down 60 points, Nasdaq is up 52 points, and the S&P is up slightly at 4 points. I did just get notification buy signal on Nvidia, so I did want to take a look at that real quick. While we've got you here on the hook, that was on the 4-hour chart. So let's see if we've got some recovery happening there. I am not seeing it. Let's see here. Let's go down to the hour chart. We can get a little bit better view of what's happening there. So I'm not quite sure where that buy signal came from. It just flashed, but I'm not seeing it actually on the chart. So as of right now, in my opinion, just looking at it, Nvidia is still it's still kind of falling. So I would not be looking to take a long here on any of that. We do have some economic news coming out at 10, so I believe that's going to explain some of the uncertainty in the markets, as well as, we've got these tariffs and things, the banter going back and forth with Canada and Mexico and China. Apparently, China has slapped some more tariffs out there, and they're opening a probe into Google, so that would explain, why the market is conflicted on what to do today. And then we've got job reports coming out at 10. So my advice would be to stay out of the markets until we see how this thing is going to turn out. Because I would say brace for impact, but we never know what's going to happen. So I would be more apt to sit on the sidelines until this thing shakes out and we get some uncertainty in what direction we're going to be heading. So this is a day where we might want to take a short-term trade. So let's take a look at our stock screener and see. Let's just look at. Let's take off those screeners here, and let's take a look at the majors first, just to see where we're standing. All right, so Palantir making some gains. I believe people are worried about security, network security, so that makes sense. And we've got a couple of other ones up slightly behind it. Let's take a look at Palantir just for kicks and giggles here. Had quite a surge, it looks like. Let me get my charts a little bit better so we can take a look at this here. Yeah, so that completely makes sense to me, why Palantir is off to the races. Let's take a look at the larger time frame, the daily time frame. So we have passed this level of 83.53, and we're up pre-market almost $20. So that puts us way up here. So before I would jump into this trade, I would be wanting to see this thing fall back down to earth a little bit and then show me signs that it's going to resume its trajectory upwards. And so in order to get that perfect entry, you would want to scale down into a lower time frame, and then maybe draw it to see if we've got a chart pattern there. So I'm looking at the 15-minute time frame, and we could, anytime we've got these high flying stocks, I like to see one of two patterns develop before I get into it. So either a bull flag or a flat top pattern. And this looks like a flat top to me. Sorry, my lines are kind of wonky. We're just going to approximate. Sorry about that. And so this would be a flat top flag. We would want to see a break of this top price level here, a hold of that support, and then a continuation to the upside. And that would be what I would be looking for before I jumped into this trade. And also, we want to see volume. We want to see that buyers are still stepping in and the continuation and the upward momentum is going to continue. We're looking at a little bit of a pullback here on the 15-minute chart, but we are moving up to this level. So if we break through this level and hold, and then, start to move again upward, then I would be looking at, a higher resistance level on this thing. So we're already at this third resistance level. We could possibly continue up to around the 113 range if we break through that top price level and hold. Okay, I think I've given you guys, a good look at what we may be in store for today. I'm going to say set your stop losses, be careful out there. Happy trading, and I will see you back here tomorrow. If you like what I'm delivering, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give me a like, and also please leave comments for me. I love to hear the feedback and see what other things you might want me to talk about in these daily market briefings. So thank you so much. I appreciate your time and have a great day. Take care, everyone.